I'm not gonna lie, guys. It took me a while to do this review, man. I didn't know how I felt about the sneaker. But real quick, a little question. Would you go with the new LANEY style Jordan or the classic OG LANEY colorway? Somehow, Travis Scott High School and Michael Jordan High School has the same colorway. Little bit strange, ain't it? Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, guys. Really, man. Y'all know when it come to Travis Scott and the Jordan 1 lows, I love them. This one here is probably my favorite colorway, favorite design, the pink laces, but these are my go-to, guys. This black and white wax laces, this is my go-to, store runs, whatever. I wear this shoe a lot, man. But we got a new Canary colorway, guys, and I'm not gonna front. When I first saw pictures of the high top version of these years ago, and even when we saw the Canary Jordan 1 high top off-white joints, that was fake also, but we saw the pictures of them, I fell in love. But when this sneaker dropped, I did not know it was gray, and then I thought the gray was kind of suede. Once I saw the gray was leather, I was like, I might could do this, man. So you know we gotta unbox it, 4K from top to bottom. Figure out why this is the lowest price Jordan 1 Travis Scott, and what will be the results of this? Like, what will be the future of this? And if you rocking with me, you see, man, I'm showing y'all a little how to style too. But let's unbox them first. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So he kept it Travis Scott. He had to give us a little bit of brown, right? Yeah. Cappuccino look on the box. Looks like the new Nike SB box, but he put the cappuccino brown instead of that silver chrome we getting on that Nike SB box. I thought the box should have been blue and yellow, but I like it. Glossy look. Got all your bells and whistles on the back, also in that cappuccino brown. And it reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP Canary Racer Blue Light Silver. Racer blue. You flip open the lid in Travis Scott style. Well, they go more brown on the back of the box. But in Travis Scott style, you still getting that nice pink tissue. I love this pink tissue. I love how he incorporate pink in almost everything he do. Even this sneaker, but just the box. And let's start with the left shoe. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the Canary joints. I just felt like this gray was not needed, but I do rather the gray than white, unless they did like a sail white or off-white. So let's start with the toe box. There go your cement looking gray, or the gray they like to call it wolf gray, I think. That looks more of a wolf gray. Nice leather though, guys. Nice leather, little bit of tumbleness on the leather, but you can feel that it's nice leather. Around that, there go your Canary, man, in a suede nubuck. Doesn't look like a light to dark nubuck. Doesn't look thick enough. Looks just like straight nubuck. More on the leather side of the nubuck where you don't get the light to dark look. But yeah, I like that yellow. Coming in, that yellow goes all the way up. They got the shoelace lids right there. All that is suede nubuck, guys, in that yellow. And there go your famous backward swoosh that Travis Scott made ultra famous. Even the Greek freaks are backward swoosh now. Like that, and that leather is A1. You can see the leather right there wrinkling on the back. And in the back, you get tumbleness. I remember when Jordan 1s was super up, high top OGs. We always look for that shattered backboard tumbleness. You get it here, guys. A lot of people not talking about that. You get that shattered backboard, but it's not white, it's gray. So I guess that's why people really not talking about it. Let's get to the back of the shoe. Your famous Cactus Jack face. We've seen it 1,000 times. I still love it. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about it. And the panel is on top of each other. Also canary yellow suede. Let's dip into the inside now. Another famous Cactus Jack logo there. Almost, I forget what model I had. Was it the 4 to 6? It could have been a 1, but this glowed in the dark. It could have been the Air Force 1. But that glowed in the dark. When light hit it, it glowed a little bit. This is just red. It doesn't glow, but it does give you another color in the sneaker. Again, Travis Scott, how you say the word, alma mater. His high school team colorway. There you got a regular swoosh. Well, not regular. It does still look funny, Travis Scott style. But you get the same blue, same leather material. And then back to the canary again. Let's go to the tongue now. The tongue is more of a regular yellow than a canary, but it still blends and it's still bright. Got your Nike Air tag right there. Your Cactus Jack logo on the side in gray, blue. I like it, man. I like this part. Mesh tongue, just like any other Jordan 1, by the way. And it comes in your yellow shoelaces. Now, with all these colors in the shoe, I suggest stay with the yellow, but it is some options here. So you get the Move to Zero box. You don't get the pouch. Nike say it's bad for the earth, but some sneakers have it, some sneakers don't. I think the Jordan 3s I just reviewed, the Nina joints, had the sandwich bag, so I don't know, but you got the Move to Zero joints. And they saw the red wax laces. Every lace that comes is wax. These are the red ones, but I don't mind the yellow ones, guys. You do get a shoe tree with this. So if you're trying to spot fakes, you know some sneakers has been coming with just paper. You do get the Jordan shoe tree with this one. And the inside is art too, guys. Got a yellow inside, the Cactus Jack logo, Jordan Jumpman in red. This gives me McDonald's vibes if it wasn't so much blue. This would definitely be a McDonald's shoe. And the Olympics is coming up. And when you think of the Olympics, you think of McDonald's. This is the right shoe here. That was the left we just reviewed. You get your classic wings here. I think on the black ones, you had a butterfly for his daughter. And the blue ones, I can't remember. I think the blue ones was just like this. But you get your nice wings here. But it do look a little different. I'm not going to lie. It do look a little different. And I felt like they could have made this blue. But whatever. Same, yo, A1, I ain't really got no glue stains, man. I really like the way this pair is. Everything adds up to this one besides that. You get your Cactus Jack logo again on the side. Well, on the other side because this is the right shoe. So it's on the right side. The bottom is gum. And tell you the truth, guys, I can't name 10 pairs of sneakers with a gum bottom that's whack. Gum bottoms make sneakers what they is, and I really like the way they use this here. Instead of going with the canary yellow down there, it's getting all this dirty. I like the gum bottom look. You get another pair of shoelaces in this one too, and this is the flat wax blue. This is my go-to, guys. If I'm not going to do the yellow, I'm definitely going to get a blue here. But you got to have a nice outfit, man, because these colors are bright, man. That comes in the Move to Zero box, too. Some more art down here. You get the Travis Scott box logo, if you would, with a Nike Air logo inside. So the left had the Jordan Man, and this one has the Nike Air, but they both got remnants of Travis Scott in the inside. Both are yellow. I don't know, man. The LANEYs was my thing, man. As you can see how clean these joints is. 12 years ago, I think I brought this sneaker. 13 years ago. Worn one time, guys. One time. I got to get some LANEY stuff, man. But the new joint colorway does add up. It gives it a little bit more with the gray and the red, but it definitely adds up. So like I said, guys, I was just sitting on this one, man. I know it's tons of reviews on YouTube by now, but I know y'all rock with y'all boy, man. And I love to give y'all honesty, but I don't like to be harsh. That's the thing with me. I don't like to be harsh. So when I first got this sneaker release date, I think it was like May 17th. It was somewhere mid-May. And I brought them. I was gonna get in front of this camera and kill this shoe, guys. Kill this shoe. But I sat with it. I did other reviews, and I'm somewhere. If I had to scale it between 1 and 10, I'm somewhere on a 7. When I first got the sneaker, when the sneaker first dropped, I was somewhere on a 4. Right now, I'm somewhere on a 7. After I relace them, lace swap, find an outfit, then I'll let you know where I'm at if I'm still on that 7. But let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. This is the lowest Jordan 1 Travis Scott you can get. I've been trying to get them cream ones for years now. I think I outpriced it. I refused to pay $1,200 for them. But these are sitting right now at roughly my size. Women's size 12, which is a 10.5, $400. Sizes below that is as low as $180, guys. So the sneakers definitely gettable if you're not a big size like me. If you're a size 9, 8, 7, the sneaker's very, very affordable. Travis Scott scale. But the 12s and up, you're looking at $400. But for Travis Scott Jordan 1, that's a good price, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I got some how to style stuff, man. We could put it together. So show this video some love, man, and I double back with a how to style. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.